Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. So today I'll be showing you how I use a toothpaste to wash my face using Colgate. It's very pepperish. So what I will do, I will just apply it because sometimes I use dark eyeshadow, then my eye, even though I clean it or I shower a week or then I will still have black dot here, like somebody that is not sleeping well or resting nice. So what I will do, I always use this Colgate like toothpaste. If I'm going to shower, I will just apply it all over my face, neck. So I will apply it all over my face like this, then leave it, let it dry. Applying it, you have to be careful for eye. It's very pepperish. So if you apply it on your eye, you can be shedding tears. And even armpit self, it clear this dark armpit, local, like especially armpit. You know, sometimes even though you use roll-on, when you sweat a little bit, your armpit will be gummy, like sticky together. If you use this, nothing like that, no stinky, no gummy, it's very nice.
Can I lie? And it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby,
I will apply it to my neck, because even if I apply makeup, I still apply makeup on my neck so that I will not have to color face and neck.
you wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if you're
Do this one once in a month is fine. When it dry, it will look like this. Like when you touch it, it's like it's even dusty, like white chalk. Yeah, like white chalk.
no, my heart.
So I'm going to wash it out now. I'm going to shower now, then I will come back again. After taking shower, my face feels so cool and smooth. Then I will be using mask, morning mask. This is my first time of using mask. They say clean and dry before using. My face is clean and dry.
Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter.
Apply it and leave it for 15 minutes. Okay.
Arms, boy.
Unfold the mask and remove the protective skin.
And I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give.
Step 3, remove the mask and massage it in. Do not rinse. So I will be taking it off now.
So much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. Don't wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
That is the end of this video, guys. If you have not yet subscribed, please just hit that subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload, you will not miss any of my video, because I will be uploading twice in a week, Wednesday and or Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Beautiful day, and it's smiling.